Imagine the quiet drip, drip, drip behind your walls or beneath your floorboards. It is a subtle sound that can quickly escalate into a homeowner's nightmare. Unnoticed plumbing leaks can lead to significant water damage, mold growth, and expensive repairs if not addressed promptly. The good news is that you can often catch these issues early with a proactive visual inspection. Visually inspecting plumbing systems for leaks involves a systematic approach of observing common leak indicators, checking high-risk areas, and looking for subtle signs of moisture. It is your first and most effective line of defense against hidden water damage, helping you to identify and address problems before they become major emergencies. The effectiveness of visual inspection comes down to understanding how water behaves and where it tends to accumulate. Water will always follow the path of least resistance, gravity, and capillary action. This means even a tiny leak can leave noticeable traces from its source. By knowing what to look for and where to look, you can intercept these issues. To perform a thorough visual inspection, start with the most obvious areas. Regularly check under all sinks, paying close attention to the supply lines, drain pipes, and the P-trap. Look for water stains on the cabinet base or on the floor. Next, inspect around toilets. Feel for dampness at the base and check for any pooling water or discoloration on the flooring. Do not forget areas around water heaters, washing machines, dishwashers, and refrigerators with ice makers. These appliances have water connections that are prone to developing leaks. Expand your inspection to less obvious spots. Examine walls, ceilings, and floors for any signs of water stains, discoloration, peeling paint, or warped materials. A musty smell can also be a strong indicator of hidden moisture or mold, even if you cannot see the water itself. For hard-to-reach areas, use a bright flashlight to illuminate dark corners and plumbing fixtures. A simple trick is to place dry paper towels under suspect pipes overnight. If they are damp in the morning, you have found a leak. Outside, check outdoor spigots, the main water line entry point, and any visible irrigation components for drips or wet spots. For a slightly more advanced visual check, try a water meter test. Ensure all water-using appliances are off and no one is using water inside your home. Read your water meter, then wait for 15 to 30 minutes. If the meter dial has moved, it indicates water is being used somewhere, likely a leak. Another clever trick for silent toilet leaks is the dye test. Add a few drops of food coloring to your toilet tank. If, without flushing, the color appears in the toilet bowl after 15 minutes, your flapper valve is leaking. Recognizing these specific signs and utilizing these simple techniques will greatly enhance your ability to detect leaks. By consistently performing these visual inspections, you empower yourself to prevent costly structural damage, avoid unhealthy mold growth, and extend the lifespan of your plumbing system and property. Proactive leak detection is a valuable skill that saves you time, money, and stress, ensuring your home or business remains dry and secure. It is all about staying one step ahead.